ay lilipad ng mahigit kumulang 1 oras at 25 minuto. Once again, this is your flight 5J986 bound for Clark. Welcome aboard.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct.
Mag-Tagalog na talaga tayo dito, boy.
Why do I try? Why do I try?
Hello everyone! Are you curious about the journey from Davao City to Baguio? If you are, come along with us as we navigate this exciting trip together. Stay tuned because I will guide you and provide tips throughout the adventure. Welcome to my channel. I'm Doreen and I love sharing little glimpses of life in the province and showing you the amazing tourist spots we have around here. But today, I'll be taking you on our adventures, guiding you on the journey from Davao City to beautiful Baguio City, the summer capital of the Philippines. Are you excited? Well, I'm excited, so join us on our adventure. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our adventures. And here's my first tip on how to get to Baguio. Start by booking your flight. Securing your plane tickets early can save you money and ensure you get the best travel dates and times. Plus, it gives you a head start on planning the rest of your trip. We departed from Davao and flew with Cebu Pacific. We took the direct Cebu Pacific flight from Davao to Clark. Be sure to check their website for more details and flight schedules. Before booking your flight, be sure to check the bus schedule from Clark to Baguio. This way, you can time your arrival to avoid missing the next bus to Baguio.
Ito na yung mukha namin ng naka-guard. Haggard face. So, babalik kami ng airport at bibili kami ng food.
Where is Tia?
So, yung last trip pala ng bus papunta ng Baguio is 8:30. So, habang nag-aantay, trinay namin kumuha ng umorder ng food sa loob kaso bawal guys. Failed yung pagbili namin guys ng pagkain kasi hindi na kami pwede makapasok ng airport kasi sarado na po.
Nakarating pala kami ng Clark ng mga 7:30 PM. Muntik pa kami maiwan ng bus guys. Ang alam kasi namin 8 PM ang last trip. Buti na lang late ang bus kasi kung on time baka nag-Manila na lang kami guys. Just kidding.
Update guys, nakasakay na kami ng bus pa Baguio. Hello Baguio! Say hi everyone! Hi!
Mga 8:45 na po kami nakasakay ng bus. The travel time from Clark to Baguio is around 4 to 5 hours. So, from Clark International Airport, konti lang kaming pasahero kasi last trip na po ito papuntang Baguio. At dahil konti lang kaming pasahero, dumaan pa ang bus sa terminal which is good kasi nakabili kami ng pagkain guys kasi sobrang gutom na kami sa mga oras na yan. May stopover naman ang bus pero medyo malayo-layo pa, mga after 2 hours pa. So, that goes my tip number 3. Be sure na may dala kayong food just in case na walang mabilhan sa airport. May dala naman kaming snacks pero hindi talaga siya kayang i-sustain yung gutom namin. Ang pamasahe pala ay nasa almost 500 pesos. Hindi na ako nakapag-video guys noong huminto sa terminal kasi medyo pagod at gutom na rin. Sayang lang at wala akong video ng daan papuntang Baguio. Gabi po kasi kami sumakay. So kung gusto nyo makita yung view, I suggest you travel during the day.
Ang lamig dito guys, Diyos ko. Para kaming naka-aircon sa labas. Ay. Nandito na kami sa Baguio guys.
Ikaw, kapag ka.
Oh no, dili ka magpantalon?
4-seater available.
Oy, ala na ako yung orog-haw. Ang warasa?
Waray.
Ito pala ang bus terminal ng Baguio. Umupo muna kami dito kasi hinihintay pa po namin ang grab car na dumating. Sobrang lamig po ng oras na to guys. So that goes my tip number 4. Magdala ng makapal na jacket dahil sobrang lamig na paggabi to madaling araw. Nakarating pala kami ng Baguio ng 2 AM. At yung accommodation namin ay malapit lang po sa terminal ng bus. Mga 5 to 10 minutes lang po. Nasa heart of the city po yung accommodation namin. Yes, nag-DIY lang po kami dito sa Baguio. Kung gusto niyo po ng less hassle ay you can opt to book a travel and tour or just a tour in a travel agency. And that goes my tip number 5.
Papunta na kami ng Airbnb.
So if you want to do a DIY just like us, then don't forget to subscribe as I will tour you guys in Baguio. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. I hope you found it insightful for your future travels. Please know that I appreciate each and every one of you for watching the video until the end. To my new subscribers, thank you for your support. See you in my next vlog.
Andito na po kami ngayon sa fourth floor. Andito na po kami ngayon sa
Si Papa.
Airbnb. Wala nila yung bislit. Hello guys! Today is day 1 of our Baguio trip. Let's go!